Now it's time to put in our create your own pizza elements. Let's go ahead, click on this box with the text tool. Whoops, let me do all caps. Create your own pizza. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the paragraph styles. Make it a menu heading. Hit the return key. And now we go to table, insert table. We're going to put in 15 rows, 5 columns, and 1 header row. And we go OK. Now we got to put in what these elements are. So we have crust, tab key, sauces, bad spelling, tab key, cheese, again, bad spelling, actually cheeses, plural, meats, and veggies. So I'm going to highlight this row. I'm going to center the text, align center, because I'm on the text tool. Now I'm going to go to table, cells, fills and strokes, and instead of the cell fill color being none, I think I want to use that brown. And I go OK, click away, yes, but my text, I want that to be white. So I'm going to go down here, instead of doing formatting containers, I'm going to format text, getting that little T right here. So now we can see that my text is black. I want to go to paper, white. Click back out. That looks good. Now, the nice thing about getting files from a client is we don't want to have to open or type all this stuff. So open up my CYOP ingredients file. I'm going to highlight the crust. Remember, that was in your text folder in the assets. So I'm highlighting this. I'm going to highlight this row, Command V, paste. Go back, highlight the sauces, Command C. Command V, paste. Highlight the cheeses, Command C. Command V, paste. Whoops. Highlight the meats, Command C. Command V. Then finally the veggies. And there we go. So you see this, the fire roasted chicken is a little bit long. We will fix that. So right now it's showing at Martech as Minion Pro 12 point regular. But we're going to go ahead and go to paragraph styles again, because we may want to change everything, and so it's nice to change it universally. Create a new one down here. Create new style. Double click on paragraph style 1, our new style, and change it to, whoops, not all caps, ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and go back to Museo. Again, if you don't have Museo, go back and find something else. And drop it down to 11 point. I'm going to go OK. Don't want to change the case. Indents and spacing, though, I do want to center this. I do want to center all the elements, all the ingredients. Go OK. Look at it again. Yeah, that is still too big. That fire roasted chicken is breaking. Don't like that. So I'll go back to ingredients, basic character formats. Let's drop it down to 10 point. Ah, looks better. Close it up. Click away. Okay. But we're going to style this thing up, make it a little bit fancier. I'm going to go ahead and go back to Table, Cell Options, Rows and Columns, and oops, wrong menu, I'm sorry. We're going to go to Cell Options, and we're going to go to Rows and Columns. Cell Options, not Table Options. Cell Options. And we're going to go ahead and go to Strokes and Fills. And the color, let's go ahead and bring that brown back. And the tint, let's make it 20%. So we're going to go back. I'm sorry, Table Alternating Fills. Alternating Fills. We are going to go to Table Options, Alternating Fills. The alternating pattern needs to be every other row. You can do every second, every third, custom rows. You have lots of options, but we're just going to do every other row. And instead of black, we're going to pick that brown color that goes with our head column. We're going to go OK. And yes, we have consistency. Now we like that, but it feels like we have some space to fill. We need a little bit of negative space around the typography. Let's go to Cell Options for text. And let's try 0.7. Now again, you can see if I do Tab, we have the chain link here. The chain link gives us the ability to pull it all to make one change overall. 0.8. Let's try 0.85. That looks pretty good. It looks like we have one more column. Or we could cover that up. Whoop. And it looks good. The little plus means we have a column but we're not using that column. There's nothing there, so we are okay. So overall, we've created a really nice table within InDesign.